welcome back to my channel, According to Kat. If you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments below. If you're returning, just say hi, and thank you so much for coming back. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. And give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. It really helps my channel grow, and let's get right into the video. So I wanted to show you some of the things that I got at Dollar Tree. Again, now see, I usually go to Dollar Tree like once a month, maybe even once every month and a half. I don't go that much because I'll buy bigger hauls. I buy more stuff because I don't want to keep going back because I don't have time to do that. So that's why I get so much when I do go. The reason I went back so soon was because the last time I was there, they did not have any greenery for the holidays or any picks or poinsettias that I wanted. So I wanted to head back and see what I could find. And then when I was there, I did get those things because they did have them, but then I ran into some new things I saw there and I wanted to get those as well. And you know, me in the Dollar Tree is like a kid in a candy store. I get really excited when I go there. Again, I have to go by myself. I don't want other people with me because I need time to think. That's how I do it. I just look around and say, you know what I could do with that? You know what I could do with that? You know what I could do with that? And see, I'm annoying too. Okay, so let me start with the berries, because I got a bunch of berries. So the first type of berries I got two of the white berries. If I look over here, it's because I want to see if everything is in frame. I like the white for when I do my white themed Christmas. Again, I have a flock tree and I love all the white. Okay. I also got two bright red cherries. And I also got two bright red berries. So I got two maroon, and I'm gonna show you next to the red how different they look. See? Which I actually like the maroon and the red together. Looks kind of cool. All right, I got these white poinsettias, and if you look carefully, like, they're like actually soft. Do you see how realistic they look almost? So think of the lamb's ear. You know how the lamb's ear has that soft coating on it? These do as well. So I really like the way they look. I do not like the leaves. I think the leaves look cheap, but if you just take the leaves away and add whatever leaves or no leaves at all, it really is pretty, but I don't like the leaves. So I got two white ones and two deep red. These are really pretty. See, I'll show you next to the red berries and next to the dark berries. So it's hard to see in this light, but they are more deep red than they are orange red. I got 3 packages of these ornaments, and I will not be using them as ornaments, so I do have an idea with these. They're kind of like plastic, but they look like glass. I found the new stencils. It says the most wonderful time of the year, as well as it has another stencil on the back, and it's a poinsettia, a wreath, a Christmas tree, a bell, a snowflake, a present, and an ornament, another ornament. So again, oh, an angel. And so you could use those whenever. All right, so I also bought these 2 red letter stickers, and I thought this would be good for the holidays. Again, whatever I don't use, I can either take back or save for next year, but I'd rather get it now than not have it when I go back. So actually, I lied, I got 3 of them. I got 2 of these stickers. They're kind of like silver. I like them. I got 2 more of the Christmas trees. I have an idea to do with those. I got this glass. I like that it's like the base is thicker, coming out a little bit. I like that. I got this 11 by 14 artist canvas, and I like it for making a sign. I like that it's blank. I like that it's big. There you go. I found these two over by the stencils and things like that. They were not with the wood signs, the new wood signs, I should say. So the first thing was a snowflake, and the next thing was an ornament. Speaking of wood signs, I'll go to that next. So I am so excited that Dollar Tree started carrying wood signs. I think it's amazing. I'm so happy. It makes me happy because, you know, we're constantly like painting over things and scraping off glitter. And so us crafters really appreciate the real wood, that we can do whatever we want to and we don't need to prime it first. So this is perfect. So I got, well, 2 of these round ones. I got 2 of these with the hanger. I would have got more of these, but they didn't have any more, so that's why I got 2 of those. I got 3 of these. I like those. I don't know what I'm doing. I just like the shape of them. I got 2 of these. And I found these, so I got them because I'll never know when I'm going to find them again. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they actually had like 30 more. What? Like, I can never find these bamboo cutting boards, and now all of a sudden, once they get these, like, these are in abundance. Go figure, right? The next thing I got were these. I got 3 of these, and I got a vacuum because I have feathers all over the house. They're like going everywhere. Okay. The next thing I got were, oh my gosh, my house smells amazing right now. So one of my favorite smells is like a cinnamon. I also love mint. I like the smells like that. So these from the Dollar Tree are amazing. And they're like great because there's little ones and big ones and medium-sized ones, like tiny little ones. Like, this is awesome. This is great for crafting. Good job, Dollar Tree. Now, I showed you in my last haul, I got bells, but I got the 9 medium-sized bells. This time I ended up going to get the small bells because I wanted to hang them on certain ornaments. I went and got the green. So I think you get 20 in here. So that's good, 20. Then I got the silver and I got red. And I like the red because they kind of look like little berries, so that's fun. I got some letters they had there. So they're called ornament letters. It's glitter, so you know I don't like glitter. You know what I would love if Dollar Tree now starts carrying letters that are wood? That would be awesome. Plain wood, no glitter. That would be great. So I got an S, an L, a B, another L. Bet you can't guess what I'm spelling. I bet you can. That was just a joke. All right. I got 2 of these little white trees. So actually I will have 4. Oh, I also got gold ones too, the gold bells. And you know, I'm not the hugest fan of the shiny gold, but I do love antiqued gold. So what I would do to these is just use some of my Waverly chalk paint in probably, I don't know, one of the brown colors, and I would just tone this down so it's not so shiny. So everyone's been getting this wood door, and I was like, I'm not gonna get it because everyone's getting it, and you know, I got it. I think it's so cute, so I had to get it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with it because you've seen so many different DIYers do stuff with this. So I don't want to do the same thing, but I'll have to think about it. I don't know. It's cute though. Oh my gosh. I at first thought he had one eye. But it's like the little fuzz. I like him. And I love this greenery. What is that called? Is that pine? I think that's pine that comes like this. Now, I don't like the color of this pine because it's very light green, but I'll just put some white on there from the Waverly chalk paint. I just find him adorable. I love owls. I have them on my tree, and I just like him. But I don't think I'm gonna use him for my tree because my tree, I don't know, maybe I will, but I think I'm gonna use him for something else. I got this ornament. They had a star too, but I didn't get the star. I liked this one. I just liked the green with the brownish red bell. I don't know, I just liked it. It's cute. I found the wood letters finally. And you know, like when we find the letters, like, or if you know when we find something and we're like, yay, we found it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will tell you they had about 20 more. I don't know. I just was surprised that they had them because I never see them. I got these bells. They come with 5 in a pack. So I have an idea with those. I thought these were so pretty. It's like a champagne color. That fuzz won't be there. I love those though. I have an idea with those. The next thing. Okay, first I'm gonna show you this. So I got these 2. Hooray! Hooray! However, I will not be using them as hooray signs. Even though who doesn't need a good hooray every once in a while, I won't be using it as that. Hint. Okay. This next one, I did not see on anyone's haul, but maybe I just missed it. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, I got very excited. It is ribbon, buffalo print, red and black with white snowflakes. What? So pretty, 9 feet. I loved this. Like I loved it. I even loved how thick it was. I wanted one of the thinner ones as well because I don't always want to use the thick ones, so I like to add these to the thicker ones just to give it more, I don't know, dimension, who knows. Give it more oomph. I will say oomph. All right, and then my last bag here is all my glitter objects. You know, I like to tell them to put my glitter in a bag. I got some picks. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I got another pick. Like, I love these. They love them. And I think I did very simple. I think pretty much they're all the same because I just loved this one. Remember I told you I like the long needles, so that's why I picked that one. And I got these. These aren't really glitter. I mean, they are, but yeah, they are. I don't feel like they come off as much. Maybe because it's so clustered on. So I got, how many did I get? I got 2 of these. And I got 2 of these, I lied. I like those. They're pretty. Like, I like the gold. And, oh, one more thing. I got another ornament. This is my last piece. I just thought, I don't know. I just thought these were pretty. And I might just put them on my tree like that, but maybe not, you know me. I think I have an idea for something and then I change my mind. So that's all my glitter stuff. And you know what I love is that the bag with the glitter in it has a hole in it, or many holes in it, so great. Fantastic. So I will be vacuuming. So that's it, that's everything I got. I feel like I did pretty well. Here, I'll show you. I think I did pretty well. Can you see everything? Not really. Let me kind of move you a little bit. I got a lot. I mean, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I'm happy with everything. And I love these picks. I do. I love these. But the most thing I am excited about, or the thing I am most excited about, is this wood. Thank you, Dollar Tree. No more scraping off glitter to make a sign. Awesome, right? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you head out to your Dollar Tree and find some of these things. I know Dollar Tree carries different stuff in every store, which, you know, we all say isn't fair, but that's the truth. When we finally go there and find something that we have been looking for a long time, we scoop them up and maybe that's their idea. I don't know, like, who knows? But very excited with everything I got. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel so that you can see what I do with all these items. I'm so excited for Christmas DIYs. I just started them recently and I just cannot wait to just keep going because I love Christmas crafting. So I just want to give everyone a quick thank you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for encouraging me, and thank you for your positivity. You are all so kind in the comments and you just brighten my day. I feel like I'm starting to get to know some of you really well, and I'm just picking up on all your personalities and it makes me so happy. I love that I am getting to know a lot of the other creators here on YouTube. I love that I'm getting to know Nicole and Casey and Kristen and Jessica and Jennifer and Marta, and if I'm forgetting you, I'm sorry. Oh, Sarah, I just thank you so much just for everyone's support. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye. Sorry, my washer was making noises. I think it was my washer. That was creepy. Okay.